Ridiculous. This is supposed to be Excel's 40th anniversary.
Don't worry, Debs. I have a plan.
That's when the cannons go off.
Yes, but shh.
Right, we are ready for action. Remember, everybody, he's the greatest MVP in the world. Adam, make me a star.
When the world needed saving back in '85, Bill Gates and Paul Allen sought to keep us alive. They gave us Excel, they gave us MVPs, true leaders of this world who needs the monarchy.
But there's one among us, so humble and skilled, always ready to share, so eager to thrill. Our industry's finest and harder than the rest. We all know who it is, this champion is the best.
So raise up your voices, let your cheers fill the room. We're calling out our name, our MVP in full bloom. It's Layla Gurani, she is the one we're cheering for. Layla Gurani, true star forevermore. Yeah, she's the greatest MVP in the world, and now everyone. When you mention the best among us, it's Layla Gurani.
Adam.
Danced on the stage was his, the crowd ready to adorn. His tragic score by dreams so predictably torn. Thank God for our hero, modest and so refined. Layla Gurani, her brilliance leaves us all alive. With each solution she crafts, with every smile she shares,
She lifts our community high,
shows us how much she cares. Poor Giles thought he had it won.
Oh, had a vision of can one be.
As if anyone would look to Giles as our greatest MVP. It's Layla Gurani. She is the
God.
one we're celebrating. Layla
Come on, Layla. There she is.
Gurani is so awe-inspiring, elevating. Yes, she's the greatest MVP in the world. And now everyone can see when you mention the best among us, it's Layla Gurani.
Mark?
It's Layla Gurani. She is the one.
How do I turn this thing off?
Layla Gurani, a true star forevermore. Yeah, she's the greatest MVP in the world. And now everyone can see when you mention the best among us, it's Layla Gurani.
No, Mum, I'm not all right. I've been stitched up again. Layla Gurani's here. There's more dancers on stage than I can count. The only thing he hasn't brought is a flipping kids choir, and I just don't know what to do. Oh, for God's sake.
It's Layla Gurani. She is the one we're celebrating. It's Layla Gurani.
Oh, yeah.